This is my Lister D 1949 engine, all stripped down about 12 years ago. I've just dragged it all out of the barn where it was, trying to get it rebuilt now. Some parts have got to be remade. This came off an Ugle hay elevator. It was underslung and was the drive for the chains. Everything seems to be in good order, but only time will tell. Sorry about the shadow, but it's afternoon and the sun's low. Pistons all free. That's the tank. I'm remaking the rods here for the timing because they're a bit chewed and gnarled. You can see this one is the smaller one, and it's seen better days, so I've got to remake that. I've done the other one. That's 5/16 diameter. I've just got to drill the holes in the bar for the taper pins, and of course I don't have a taper that small to do the actual taper in it, so might have to put a little bolt in there. The timing chain is all there, and the cover for it. Magneto should all be okay. Had to take pieces of metal off it where it's still magnetized. The exhaust has seen better days. The flywheel, there was no way I could get that off. I heated it, but it wouldn't come off, so leave well enough alone there. Excuse the shadow again. There's the pulley as well. Everything seems to be not too bad. So the next thing is to clean it all off with acetone, because I don't have paraffin, and acetone will dissolve everything. And then I can get the grinder on it and the sander, sand it all down. There's the oiler, that's all in place, all looks okay. I haven't stripped the piston down, so we'll just see what happens. Valve seem okay. I just got some grinding paste today to do that, and I was going to buy a new head gasket. I'll just get the other one out, and a couple more bits I've just found in the garage are the covers for the top of the hopper. One of each. Got to clean them up and they'll be okay. Here's the head gasket, the one I took off. I really don't understand what they did. Half it's missing. That's as it came off, all knurled up and ridiculous. So they've chopped off one end that goes on the water hopper, and of course here's the new one, which is actually a second-hand one that I bought probably about 12 years ago. That's in good order. Saved me nearly £19 buying another one off eBay. The petrol tank, while we're looking at it, I had to get a second-hand one of those because my one was all rusted through, and I've bought 2 straps for it, which seem to be good order. They came from Lincolnshire. Just got those today. Cost me a £5 plus postage. So they seem to be in good order. Spark plug, well, what can you say about a spark plug? That's the original one, but I've got a replacement spark plug for it, so don't think that one was going to work again. Right, that's enough of that. Now it's down to putting it all back in and